Hi, boys and girls. I know many of you are working on the escape room right now. I just wanted to kind of go over a couple of things. You have to be, one, you need to read the directions extremely carefully. Okay. And you have to remember the skills that we already worked on. So when I look here at this problem, all right, when I look here, I wish I had a little pointer. Oh, here we go. When I look here, okay, I have to remember that when I divide and there's a decimal on the side, I need to slide, okay? When there's a decimal in the house, remember, we need to raise it to the roof. So as you're rewriting these, you need to think and remember about the things that we learned when we were dividing, okay? I'm another thing, this was a technicality that I just spoke to another student about, was it says to list your quotients in order from greatest to least. When you divide 6.4 divided by 0.8, okay, what's going to happen is the fact that that 8, you need to slide that decimal over and you slide it over in your dividend. And the answer is just 8 for this one. I can't write on this screen. It won't allow me to just write. Let's see. The answer for this one is just 8, right? Because I'm going to do some work off to the side here. If I have 0.8 and I have 6.4, remember when there's a decimal on the side, you need to slide. So now there's no decimal in here. And 64 divided by just 8 is 8. Okay, if I move over to this one here, okay, I'm going to continue working on my screen. I have 0.34 divided by 12.24. Okay, again, decimal on the side, you need to slide. You're going to slide it 2 times until there is no decimal in the number, and then you can continue the division. For the last one, you have 36 is your divisor, 97.2. There's no decimal on the side, but there's a decimal in the house, so you need to raise it to the roof and continue your division. Okay? Then, when you finish, when you type your answers out, and I'm giving you the answers basically for this challenge, you're going to type in a 36, then a comma, and then you need to hit the space bar. Then you're going to type in the number 8, and then you're going to do a comma, and you're going to hit the space bar again, and then last but not least is 2.7. Okay? The answer key is very sensitive, and if you're not typing the answers in correctly, try making sure there's space between your numbers, commas in between your numbers, and read the directions extremely carefully, okay? I hope that helps. Good luck with the challenge.